Hi, my name's Greg Paul and welcome to today's 1 minute dynamic business tip. Are your sales struggling? Are they not what you wish they were? Are you finding things are a bit tough? It's a bit hard, it's a bit of a drudgery. I've got to ask you, have you ever seen a salesman sit over the phone and say, ring, 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 geez, I hope it rings? And have you ever seen it ring? Well, the answer is no. So if you're sitting back wondering where your next sale is going to come from, get out and promote. I don't care what it is, that's today's dynamic business tip. Promote. Even if it means getting some flyers and walking up and down your street at home, or it means getting all the staff that aren't busy, walking up and down in the factories nearby and putting some promo out. Get a website, make a video, put it on YouTube. Create a page on Facebook and put some articles on the internet. There are a lot of things you can do, but don't sit back waiting for the phone to ring. Get out and promote today. Really, you don't have time but to do that. And if you don't know what to do, check out dynamicbusinessmentors.net or email us at info@dynamicbusinessmentors.net. Just do it today.